Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Seek Jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the third section, notifications. Here you can find a bunch of distinct sections, such as whether you would like to get email or push notifications about job application updates. All you have to do is tapping on the relevant one that you would like to enable. You can also select notification updates when there is an application unlikely to progress, when there is a job ad which is expired. You can turn on this email notification feature, or you can also turn on the email notification when there's a new opportunity for you, when there's a job just for you, a reminder to apply via the push notification features. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.